529 pesos na steak? Meron ba nun? Keep watching this video para malaman mo. Meet up namin mga titas today over lunch at syempre may bago na namang kainan na highly recommended ni Mommy Hazel. It's giving fine dining restaurant pero would you believe, nandito lang siya sa Dizon Street, Barangay 6A, San Pablo City. Dito lang yan sa The Bowl Republic. At first parang nakaka-intimidate at parang mamahalin dito pero pag nakita mo yung kanilang menu, budget friendly pala. Around 20 to 30 minutes ang serving time nila pero sabay-sabay namang lumabas lahat ng order namin. Now it's kainan time, tara! For starters, we ordered the chicken skin and chimichangas. Yung chicken skin, hindi puro breading at crunchy kaya it goes well sa kanilang vinegar. Their beef chimichanga is savory and mas lasa yung spices, ideal for those who want a fuller bite. While the chicken has a milder flavor that goes well with what tastes like a sour cream sauce. For the mains, I ordered tight crispy pork. Medyo makapal at malaki yung slices for me, pero well seasoned and crispy, tapos ang dami niya pang servings. And yes, may 529 peso na steak, and that's the Republic steak plate. You'll get premium sirloin na perfectly seasoned and maayos yung pagkakaseared, slightly chewy but buttery yung bite. It goes well with their sauce and cooked to perfection yung mashed potato. Lastly, for desserts, kuwang-kuha ako nitong signature mini crispy and not too sweet yung filling, tapos may ice cream pa on the side. Kaya naman ayain na ang friends and family. See you here at The Bowl Republic. Bye!